Hello you guys, this is Fun Automotive here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about my Jeep. And guess what? My Jeep is no longer here. I have sold it, it's gone, so it's time for one of these bad boys. But I think the Jeep went to a very good family. It's going to serve them for the rest of its life, and I'm happy to see that they're happy with it. That Jeep did so good for me for 5 years. It did very good for me. 5 whole years of four-wheeling it and just experimenting with it and getting to know the IFS suspension and all that stuff. Now, the main reasons why I got rid of it, it's got the independent front suspension. I'm not a big fan of that. I want the solid axle on the front. That's the main reason why I wanted to get rid of this. But other than that, it was a great vehicle. That thing drove perfectly fine. It was just a nice cruiser. Other than a four-wheel driver, it was a nice cruiser. Look at these dogs going crazy. Nice four-wheel drive. And I'm glad that I was able to experience that and experience with the KJ Jeep Liberty and be able to wheel one of those and get to experience that. But now it's time for another one of these. I used to have a Grand Cherokee WJ years ago. I used to, and I actually got rid of it. Let me see, probably about 7 years ago, 6 years ago, 6 or 7 years ago. I got rid of it. Bad mistake. I wish I never did, but I did, and this is my redemption. I'm going to buy another one and be able to do the things that I wanted to with it, that I wanted to with the first one, and I never got the chance to. Now, this is my wife's. I didn't really want to lift it because it's a daily driver for her to go to work and stuff, and she doesn't really need it lifted, even though she bugs me to do it for her, which I could. You know, 4-link suspension is so easy to lift. It's that 4-link, and it's just solid axle. You know, it's simple, it's easy. It's not leaf spring, so it's just straightforward, really. And I mean, not saying leaf spring's not straightforward, it's also, but some prefer 4-link, some don't. I prefer this setup only because I know it. And yeah, I hope to show you guys future videos of my next one that I get. I don't know when I'm gonna get it. I'm hunting. I've been hunting every day looking for a nice one. I'm in no rush to get another one. I don't want to get something I don't like, Grand Cherokee, that is beat up or has motor problems. I want to take my sweet time and be able to get a nice one with as low mileage as possible and as clean as I can get. Other than that, yeah, it may be a while, but till then, you know, you guys can check out my other videos, all the Liberty people. You know, you guys all know where to find them. You know where the group is at. My Facebook groups, Jeep Liberty KJ fan, go ahead, check that out. Got over 40,000 members on that group, just sharing their pictures and their thoughts and their information and questions. And go ahead and check that out and throw a question down there if you want somebody to answer that for you. And I've got an Instagram as well, for those that don't know, Jeeping by All worldwide. You search that up, you'll find it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But till next time, you guys, I'll have my Jeep and you'll see that WJ, and we'll go through it together and be able to do these lifts or this lift. I'm still debating 37, 35, 37. I want to go with a 37-inch tire, you know. Don't really got the money for that right now, but like I said, I'm in no rush. As long as I throw a nice lift on it with some decent tires for now, that'll do me fine. With the Liberty, I went from a 245 to a 265 to the 295, you know. I took my sweet time on that also. So, yeah, just like that, we'll just take my sweet time, take our sweet time. You guys will see every detail of it and be able to go along with me as I build the Grand Cherokee. So, this is Fun Automotive, and as well, I hope you guys are doing well. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one. See you, I'll catch you. All right, goodbye.